Hi guys, so sorry I haven't been around for a while. As you can see, I'm still recovering from my surgery I had 1 week ago. It's been exactly 7 days and I'm doing all right. And they did 2 disc replacements, the Mobi-C at C5667, something like that. Recovery's going okay. The voice is still soft. Can't do my loud talking like I usually do. Lost 5 pounds, which is a good thing, but not the right way because I can't eat. So this was a surgery 10 years in the making. And sorry if the camera shaking. Cat just jumped on the table. Hold on. And for 10 years I've been suffering with the pain in the neck, the radiating down the arm, numbness in the hands, fingers, thumb, and I just got fed up with it. So I seeked out a good doctor, and this doctor, gotta give him credit because he fixed the neck, he fixed the arm, and this cat. So like I said, it still hurts to swallow, and so it's just gonna take time. Everybody's different. A lot of people can swallow, eat hard food, eat regular, a couple days out. I unfortunately can't. So just gonna take it easy and take care of the scar, and the scar should go away very nicely. Looks horrendous though right now. Look at that. But it'll take time. Doctor says I can turn my head, a little bit down. I still have my habit of moving my upper torso when I do talk, move, my gestures, and no watching air shows. Can't look up yet. He doesn't want me to yet. So next appointment's in 2 weeks, and let's see, what else can I add? I know it's hard for me to talk on camera, but hold on, I'll show you. You can see I can't find my previous x-ray of my neck, but as you can see, these are the 2 discs that they replaced. The space, and I had 2 herniated discs, and was putting pressure on the nerve, so that was giving me all the pain. So if you're suffering from literally pain in the neck, radiating pain down the arms, get it checked out, get your MRI, get seen, and find that good doctor that will take care of you. I'm very, very happy I had this done. The only thing, I was scared going into the surgery because of all the, don't watch YouTube videos because they just scare you. But I did that, and I heard a lot of people saying that they have bad experiences. I can't say I'm having a bad experience. It's just they take the esophagus and they chuck it over to get to the spine. So, like I said, there's a lot of bruising, a lot of swelling. I do have a neck brace. Neck brace is really not recommended. When I got out of surgery into the recovery room, I was in excruciating pain, excruciating. I can't tolerate hard painkillers. It makes me nauseous. So I don't know what they were giving me for medicine during recovery. All I know, it wasn't working. I did not stay overnight. I was home early the next day. I only stayed in recovery for maybe 2.5, 3 hours the most. I really don't remember that day, which is good. Don't remember the car ride home, cat. And so been living on very little bit of food, mashed potatoes, lots of water. I added Pedialyte to my regimen. Get yourself some Miralax. You want to get things moving right away. Let's see, what else? Oh, back to the neck brace. I know I'm going to be jumping around, and I'm really trying to make this as quick as I can. The neck brace. I wear that when I'm sleeping. I can only sleep on the couch right now for comfort. I can't lay down. I can't get comfortable. So the neck brace just keeps me supported. This is the one they gave me. Okay, and I wear it in car rides. When I go into the doctor's the other day, I put the neck brace on in the car, simply because I don't trust other drivers. My husband likes to be heavy-footed on the brake, and so, you slam forward, so it's just, that little jerky motion. It's a little, just protection, secureness, we'll say. But as far as I take it off when I wake up in the morning. I'm still taking the pain pills. It's only 5 milligrams of the OxyContin. Yeah, OxyContin, 5 milligram pills once every 4 hours, or as needed for me as 7 days out in the surgery. At night, about 2 o'clock in the morning, I will double up on those pills just because I need sleep. I haven't been sleeping. But I'll try to, follow up in my next, what did I say, 2-week appointment. July 31st is my next appointment for the follow-up. Doc says everything looks good, everything's healing good, so take it easy. I'm not known to take it easy. I overdid it 2 days after surgery. I had a stress cleaning day. Life just got to me in general. I'm not going to get into that, but yeah, that's why I haven't been around. So take care, and have any questions on the Mobi-C surgery, I'll try to answer the questions as best I can. I let the doctor handle this. I said, do what you got to do. I had the best team of nurses, anesthesiologists. Everybody was awesome, great, funny, the best. Okay, and don't be afraid if you need it. Like I was, I stressed and stressed and stressed, and there was really no need to. So see you in the next video when I get around to it. Bye, guys.